Hello world, my name is Hassan Sharif and I'm a designer from Egypt. Today I'm going to show you how to make this circular motion effect inspired by Mr. Posterlad, who's on Instagram. Of course I'll drop links in the description. I've seen other tutorials, but I think mine are faster and more efficient, my ways or techniques. So yeah, I'll show you two techniques. One gives you this effect, the other one more of a transitional, very contained effect. So let's delete those. For the first effect, I'm gonna use the transform effect. So I'll start off by making the smaller circle I want, because the distort and transform makes all the copies behind your initial object. So that's why you want to start with the smallest first. Alright, so I want 10, so I'll make 9 copies because I already have a copy. In here you can play with the angle, so you can do everything from one window, from one action, and bam, you're done. That's it. It's that fast. 3 seconds. That's all you need. Alright, so this is method 1. Method 2, you'll need 2 ellipses. A small ellipse, copy, and by command C, and paste it back by command B. Make it bigger. I'll make it 900 pixels. Cool. Select both and create a blend by holding Ctrl Alt and B. To access the blend options, you press W, then enter. You go to specific steps. If you want 10, you type 8 because you already have 2 copies. Bam, done. Cool, but it's not really done because we don't have this circular rotational movement. So how do you achieve that? You achieve that by first expanding your shape, only the object, not the fill. Then ungroup it, Command Shift G. Then you go select everything, press R to access the rotate tool, Command Shift to deselect each, then rotate. So you press enter, you get the rotate box. You put the angle you want, I'll put 20, press OK. Then Command Shift and click to deselect again, enter, enter, you repeat, and you keep repeating the same step as much. Select everything, group it, and here you go. How fast was that? Really fast. Seconds. Literally, you take seconds to create these effects. So, if you found this helpful, leave a comment and subscribe if you want. Hit that like button just to show some initiative. I don't know, just hit that like button. Makes me feel better. So this is something I did, and this is the sorry. This is the poster I'm gonna post, and I guess thank you. And here's the poster by Posterlad. I really like his work, to be honest. And he gave me permission to do this tutorial based on this shape. It's pretty nice. and you have this texture at the back. You can also check my other video about the carbon texture, maybe it will help. So really thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next time, I guess. Thank you. Ciao.